Coming back to the mountains year after year, I keep asking myself the same question. Why don't I live here? Life in the mountains is simple, and it teaches you to appreciate smaller things in the world. I wish everyone had a chance to spend some part of their lives on these mountains. In this episode, I take you through my journey from Lachung to Yumthang Valley before heading back to Gangtok. We all had an amazing sleep that night at Lachung, as we were tired from the car journey the day before. The guest house owner was kind enough to wake us up with a bed coffee and a hot Maggie at 5 a.m. in the morning, so that we could continue our journey to the greater heights. Lachung was a very quiet and peaceful town, with warm and lovely people all around our stay. We played the Indian marble game called Kancha with the local kids for some time and then started our ride to Yumthang Valley. The mountain range became our constant companion as we moved towards Yumthang Valley, at times playing hide and seek as the clouds often covered the peaks. As we drove up above the clouds, we could get some momentary glimpses of the snow from the vehicle. One could gauge the beauty of the mighty Himalayas just by the look on Renuka's face as she saw them for the first time in her life.
क्या करते हैं?
बिजनेस यहाँ क्या क्या होता है? कैसे लोग पैसा कमाते हैं?
ऐसे तो ज़्यादा तो गाड़ी चलाने वाला है यहाँ का। जो पढ़ाई करता है, पढ़ाई करके काम नहीं मिलता है, सब ड्राइविंग ही करता है।
As we got closer to the valley, the terrain started to get more and more interesting. The lush green scenery was slowly turning milky and chocolatey, and the landscape was truly out of the world. This is Yumthang Valley, the serene place which resembles the heaven on earth. I sat there for hours together, staring at those mountain peaks and the water flowing through the valley. The calmness of the place made me realize how far we were from the chaos of modern society, and I wanted to stay there forever. But a landslide warning near Lachung made us head back to Gangtok immediately. Although I had to leave the place that day, I left my heart behind, and I'm definitely going back to find it again. If you like the films on Adwhyta and would like to see better films on a regular basis, you can become a patron for us on patreon.com/Adwhyta. Also, please do subscribe to our channel.